We're all familiar with our own galaxy, the one we call home, but have you ever stopped to think about what lies beyond its edges? The Milky Way is just one of billions in a vast expanse of space that stretches out before us like an endless canvas waiting to be explored. As we gaze up at the stars on a clear night, it's impossible not to wonder if there are other civilizations out there, wondering the same thing about us. We've been searching for signs of extraterrestrial life for decades now, but so far, we've found nothing conclusive. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't keep looking. One of the most intriguing questions is what happens when you get to the edge of a galaxy like our own. Does it just stop abruptly, or does it blend seamlessly into the surrounding space? We know that galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity, but what lies beyond their boundaries? Some theories suggest that there's a kind of membrane that separates one galaxy from another, a thin layer of energy that we can't yet perceive. Others propose that galaxies are actually connected by invisible threads, like cosmic strings that weave them all together. It sounds far-fetched, I know, but the truth is, we don't really understand how galaxies interact with each other. Take our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda, for example. We're aware of its existence because it's visible to the naked eye as a small dot in the constellation of the same name. But what if I told you that Andromeda is actually hurtling towards us at breakneck speed? That's right, in about 4 billion years or so, it'll collide with our own galaxy in a cosmic smash-up that will reshape the very fabric of spacetime. Now, I know what you might be thinking: what happens when galaxies collide? Well, the truth is, we don't really know. We've never seen one happen before, and even if we did, it would likely be from a safe distance away, observing through a telescope or some other kind of observational equipment. The implications are mind-boggling, though. If two galaxies do collide, what becomes of the stars, planets, and other celestial bodies within them? Do they get torn apart by the sheer force of the collision, or do they somehow manage to merge together in a cosmic dance of destruction? Let's talk about dark matter for a moment. You might have heard of it. It's this mysterious substance that makes up around 80% of our universe but which we can't see or directly observe. We know it's there because of the way galaxies move and the way stars within them behave. But what if I told you that some scientists believe dark matter could be more than just a simple absence of light? That it might actually have its own gravitational pull, its own presence in the universe, but one that we can't yet detect. It's a strange idea, I know, but think about it: what if everything we thought we knew about gravity and mass is wrong? As we continue to explore the universe, we're constantly discovering new mysteries waiting to be solved. Take black holes, for example. We know they exist because of their gravitational pull, which warps spacetime in extreme ways. But what exactly happens inside one? Do objects get sucked in forever, or is there some kind of cosmic reset button that gets pressed? Some theories propose that black holes are actually doorways to other dimensions, hidden realms of existence waiting to be explored. Others suggest they might even be portals to parallel universes, ones where the laws of physics work differently. It's a strange and wondrous place we live in, full of mysteries and unexplained phenomena just begging to be unraveled. The universe is a vast and intricate web of connections, and the more we learn about it, the more we realize how little we know. As we venture further out into space, we're confronted with questions that challenge our understanding of reality itself. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? Is there something beyond what we can see, touch, or experience? We've only scratched the surface of these cosmic enigmas, and the more we explore, the more we realize how little we know. It's a humbling realization, but it's also what makes the search for answers so thrilling. I'd love to ask, how do you think the universe got here in the first place? Was there some kind of cosmic Big Bang that started everything off, or did something else create our reality? But even more intriguing is the possibility that we're not alone. What if other civilizations exist out there, watching us just as we watch them? Would they be intelligent enough to communicate with us, or would their signals go undetected forever? The universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered, and it's up to us to find them. We've barely scratched the surface of what lies beyond our galaxy, but that's exactly what makes this journey so exciting. There's still so much left to explore, discover, and learn. What happens when we finally reach the edge of the observable universe? Will we find a membrane, or will it just disappear into thin air? We'll never know until we get there.